In this movie, the two children are playing around by burying their father in the ground, but suddenly a lightning bolt strikes the ground and everyone runs away in fear. The two children get up and try to pull their father out, but the soil has turned into glass, making it impossible for their father to move. At that moment, the rescue team arrives and begins trying to free the man. They slowly break and remove the glass-like soil, but a shard of glass has already pierced the man's neck. As soon as they move his hand, blood starts flowing from his neck, and the man experiences severe pain. Seeing this, his children panic and become extremely worried. The rescue team pulls the man out, bandages his hand, and takes him to the hospital.